Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another series of To the Point. Today's topic of discussion is external commercial borrowings. First of all, let us see why is it in the news. Agreements for external commercial borrowings signed by corporate India jumped to a massive $12 billion in the April-June quarter. It is 3 times the level in the year-ago period and as much as 80% of the inflows during the whole of the last financial year. The central bank said in its latest State of the Economy report, nearly 2/3 of the ECBs registered in the quarter were earmarked for investment activities. Most of the ECBs will be used for new projects, modernization, infrastructure development, and purchase of capital goods, while less than a quarter of the funds have end uses like refinancing and working capital. Now let us discuss what are external commercial borrowings. External commercial borrowings is a loan availed by an Indian entity from a non-resident lender with a minimum average maturity. Most of these loans are provided by foreign commercial bank buyers credit, suppliers credit, securitized instruments such as floating rate notes and fixed rate bonds, etc. Now let us look into the ways to access external commercial borrowing. First is automatic route. Under this route, borrowers can access funds without requiring explicit authorization from the RBI or the government. The eligibility criteria govern the amounts, industries, and final use of funds for those seeking to utilize ECB. Second is permission route. Permission route entails obtaining explicit approval from the RBI or the government before accessing funds through ECB. Borrowers must seek and obtain specific permission before proceeding with the borrowing process. Now moving on to the advantages of ECBs. ECBs provide an opportunity to borrow large volumes of funds for a relatively long term. Interest rates are also lower compared to domestic funds. ECBs are in the form of foreign currencies, hence they enable the corporate to have foreign currency to meet the import of machineries, etc. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the external commercial borrowings, that is ECBs. First, external commercial borrowings is a loan availed by an Indian entity from a non-resident lender with a minimum average maturity. Second, the permission route entails obtaining explicit approval from the RBI or the government before accessing funds through ECB. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.